Kirjan na tingin. Ay, si Kirjan ba ang magkuan? Amo acting. Ay, basta, Kirjan, kita duha nga ta ha. Kay, kuan. Kaya, Maylin. Ayan, Ayan, may mibe siya. Kirjan. Ayan, lagi mo ba?
Angelina, so good.
May mayroon. Hoy, pagdayon mo, ready. Daan, di ko lang sungugon jud oy. Di ko nan oy, hit lang sungugon ko oy.
1, 2, 3, go. Kasi unang kanta, mama ni ana. Ang matay.
Ayaw sa lang magtanong may dibiro ang praktisa.
Kasi di ana.
Ay, kantahan lang nabi. Magtanong dibiro bi. Kanta sa. Share sa mo kape, share sa mo kape. Dahil kato na yung kuan, call me maybe.
1, 2, 3, go. Ang matay ay di.
Hoy. Balik.
Magkapunta kayo ko, halos di makatayo. Sige lang sa paupo, ngunit merong paraan upang di mahirapan. Gamitin ang isipan upang maintindihan. Ang inverse ay madali lang, basta't makinig ka lang. Tayo ay sama-samang matatapos sa nasagutan.
Mga ko na lagi na. Kuan mo bi.
Mati ang lirik.
Something unless me well be. You ready?
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, go. Something and just ask me.
Balik. Si Ruby mo kanta to guys.
1, 2, 3, go. Something and
So Ruby mo kanta.
1, 2, 3, go.
Sa mga may meron.
Something and just ask me and I will tell. So learn them.
Uy, sa uy. Babay pa mo kanta na. After ni Ruby, babay pa. Dayon.
Bye mo.
Ano pa mo? Oh, lucky. Wag kita mo sudan lucky.
Inverted.
Ikuman sa
Okay.
Solve Me Baby.
Maglapag ako mapag-last ba? Ready?
1, 2, 3, go. Just ask me and I will tell. So learn them all to excel. So nothing's in your way. Inverses all do the trick. They undo work like magic. I know you're looking for this, so they're not in your way. Multiply, divide, square root, square both sides. Base 10, take the log. Don't you know it's easy, baby? Hey, operations. They might be crazy, like use an inverse. And solve me maybe, it's hard so bright. Without you, baby, like use an inverse. And solve me maybe, it's hard so bright. Without you, baby, like use an inverse. And solve me maybe, and all the other kids, they try to solve me, like use an inverse. And solve me maybe, but to get to let's simplify. Substitute the x and y. Multiply by itself and you get the square. Just think for a minute and solve. Teachers are so serious. Numbers are so mysterious. And multiply, subtract, and divide, and we'll all have a good time.
Balik. Balik sa price tag, oh.
1, 2, 3, go. Together and simplify. Substitute the x and y. Multiply by itself and you get the square. Just think for a minute and solve. Teachers are so serious. Numbers are so mysterious. And multiply, subtract, and divide, and we'll all have a good time. Transpose the x to the left. Transpose the y to the right. Can you solve that? Yeah, we're thinking math today. It's all about the problems. To find the answers. We just want to make the world learn for a bright future. It's not about a ha, chitty, it's all about the yeah. Study, want to make the world learn for a bright future. Today I don't feel like doing anything. region, rate of change. It all makes me go insane. Today I don't feel like doing anything. Now let's get scrapped. Try to figure out how to represent relations. All the pairs and tables, all the destinations. Learn about dysfunction notation. I've been delving in your functions and interpreting relations. Did you know that y equals mx plus b? So in my math test I get good grades. Oh, 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 yes I know. I said it 'cause I know. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna focus on math. Domain and region, rate of change. It all makes me go insane. Today I don't feel like doing anything. Now let's get draft. I'm sad, confused in my classroom again. Not a single tick to be seen. My friends are all getting fractions, and they're starting to be mean. My teachers are some, but my fraction brain is fried. They should help me out, but heaven knows I've tried. She says to me, it's quite easy. Pay attention and listen carefully. Let's break it down and take it slow. And then I know, here I go, here I go. Can't put it off anymore. Here I go, here I go. I will win my fraction war. I'll work hard, take it day by day. Bring it on. Fractions never bothered me anyway. Tricky denominators, below the line they fit. Show the parts the whole split into. Show the full amount of bits. What's that they're sitting on the line? Numerators are the parts that I can combine. They show the fractions part you want. I'm in the zone. Here I go. Here I go. Making potions to help us out. Here I go. Here I go.
Finding fractions of amount.
I'll work hard. Take it day by day. Bring it on. Fractions never bother me anyway. Ano to, labuta?